Ready to ditch the messy, handwritten signature and level up your Docusign game? First things first, head over to Docusign and log into your account. You'll land on your dashboard. Look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. It usually has your initials or your profile picture. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select My Profile. This will take you to your account settings. On the My Profile page, you'll see a few tabs. Click on the Signatures tab. This is where the magic happens. Under the Your Signature section, you'll find a few options for creating your signature. We're focusing on uploading one today, so click the Upload option. A window will pop up, prompting you to select your signature image file from your computer. Make sure the image is clear, well-lit, and ideally saved as a PNG or JPG file. Select your file and click Open. Docusign will now display your uploaded signature. Take a look, and if you're happy with how it looks, click Adopt and Sign. If you need to make any changes, click Edit to adjust the image. That's it. Your uploaded signature is now saved in Docusign and ready to use for all your future documents. Enjoy the ease and professionalism of signing with your own custom signature.